picture, and then you're going to tell me what your eyes are able to notice. Okay, what number did you notice with your eyes? All right, are you guys ready? Looking at the screen. Okay, let's talk about it. What did you guys see with your eyes?
I saw 7 pumpkins.
You saw 7 pumpkins. Okay, any other?
I saw 6 and 1.
You saw 6 and 1. And Savannah's typing. Okay, and Leah saw 6 and 1. And Savannah also said 7 like Wesley. Okay, so let's go back and look with our eyes. Wowie, zowie. Okay, Wesley, how did you get to 7? Can you explain how you got to 7? How did you count the pumpkins?
I counted 5, and then I saw the 2 ones on the top, so I didn't get to count them, but I saw them, so I counted.
Yes, I love it. So thank you, Wesley. So Wesley noticed 5, and then the 2 on top, right? And that's how he got to 7. Awesome. Okay, Leah, tell me, what did your eyes see? How did you count the pumpkins?
3, 3 and 1.
Okay, there we go. So Wesley saw 5 and 2, and then Leah noticed 3, 3, and 1. Isn't that amazing how our eyes, we see different things, right? But we still get the same answer. So Leah saw 3 plus 3 plus 1. And then Savannah saw 3 plus 3 plus 1 like Leah. Awesome, you guys. All right, give yourselves a big round of applause. That was amazing. Amazing talking about the different ways come up with 7 pumpkins.